So welcome again to the second section of this tutorial. On this section, we are going to be speaking on how to download and install the Zelio programming software. So open any browser on your computer. For me, I'll be going with Microsoft Edge. So now I can just type here Zelio soft download. So you are gonna connect yourself to the internet to be able to download it. The software is about some 100 and something megabytes. So let's refresh it. Now, as you see here, the first link here that says Schneider Electric Global Zelio version 5. So the time I'm recording this video, we are working on the Zelio version 5 version of the software. So depending on your internet connection, your own might be more faster than mine. So here we are going to be seeing, as you see, for example, this is it, Zelio version 5 programming software. Now we are going to go for a download, as you see here. Allow. Now let's download the software. As you see, 104 megabytes. So I will not be downloading again because I already have it downloaded on my computer. So once the download is done, we are going to be going down to the next step, which is going to be installing the software. Now, when you have the software downloaded already on your computer, you just need to navigate to where your downloads are saved. For me, I have mine saved on new volume. And as you see, this is it, version 5, Zelio soft version 5. As you see, so you just need to double click on it. You install. As you see, they are asking me why, because I already have this software installed on my computer. So I can just follow next. I select my language, English, install. You see now, you see start the installation process. So this course was made in a way, even if you haven't had any background on Zelio PLC programming, you're gonna cover everything from beginning. So you don't need any experience to cover this course or to start or to follow this program. You take everything from beginner's level. Now you see next. I see we accept the terms and conditions. It has started the installation. So this might take some time depending on your computer speed. So we are going to wait for it to finish installing. So while we wait for it to finish installing, see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Welcome back to the Zelio full course from beginner's level with no experience needed. As you see now, we have the setup has finished installing. Now we can just click on finish. Now we're gonna go to desktop where we have the software installed already. This is it, as you see here. So now follow the steps of how I installed it on my own computer, and you'll be able to install it soon. If you have problems on installing it, you can just click on the download link. I'll leave them in the description, or I'll just post them in the comments. So see you in the next tutorial on how to use Zelio software.